We're going to solve this equation with a third root in it. It's solving an equation, so we are going to do our PEMDAS in reverse to undo what was done. I'm going to consider the radical like a big parenthesis, so I'm starting looking for everything outside of that radical, and I'm trying to see if there's anything to add or subtract. I can see there's a plus 2 here, so I'll subtract the 2 from both sides. These will cancel. On the left side, that leaves me with a cube root of m minus 4, and then negative 1 and negative 2 combine to make negative 3. I'll look outside the radical to see if there's anything to multiply or divide, but there's not, so I took care of that. Radicals and exponents are two sides of the same coin, so the next thing to deal with is this third root. And the way you cancel a root is to use the equivalent power. This is a third root, so I'll take this side of the third power, I'll take this side of the third power. The power and the root knock each other out, leaving just the m minus 4 on the left. They just cancel. This means take negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. If you do that, you will get negative 27. And now that I've knocked out those exponents, the parentheses are more or less gone, I'm back down at the bottom. I'm trying to get this m to be by itself, so I'm seeing if there's anything to add or subtract. Starting down here, I can add a 4 to both sides. Negative 27 and positive 4 are enemies. They combine to make negative 23. So I'm pretty confident if an answer exists, that is the answer. But now I've got to check to make sure it actually is an answer. So I'll take the m and I'll plug it into this expression. And if it does equal negative 1, it's an answer. And if it doesn't equal negative 1, then there's no solution. So I've got the cube root of the answer, I think that's correct, minus 4 plus 2. We're just evaluating here, so we'll do the order of operations in the correct order. This is considered to be like a parenthesis, so I'll combine these first. Negative 23 and negative 4 combine. They make negative 27 plus 2. This means find a number that multiplies by itself 3 times to make negative 27. So I know it's going to be an odd number because 27 is odd. I know it's going to be a negative number because it's a negative. It's possible to do that too because a negative number times itself 3 times is still negative. So this ends up being negative 3. Well, I'll do it over here. This ends up being negative 3 plus 2. These guys combine to make negative 1. That's what I was hoping to get. So this is our answer. It's correct. Life is good. Good luck.